here at the Mutoh Cafe, which is in Mutoh America. Their headquarters are based in Tempe, Arizona. A few months ago, we actually did all of these wall murals you see in here, this brick, with a really cool Nina paper film. Today, we're going to be doing the other half of the demo room. I'll show you guys around if you keep up. So we're actually going to be using a General Formulations wall mural film on this whole other half of the demo room for Mutoh. However, we have a really, really cool design from one of my favorite designers, Glarb Wrapped over in Florida. He just kills wall murals. And we have some really spectacular stuff. So the whole goal is that this brick pattern is going to kind of change into an Arizona landscape. We've got Antelope Canyon in here. Let me show you guys a rendering really quick. So this is a little sneak peek of kind of what we're going for. So we've spent about the first hour just prepping the wall, wiping it down with alcohol. We've pre-measured all of our panels, measured twice, and so on. So that's kind of the rules. And we're about ready to slay. So let's go.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So we are on the last day of our installation, hopefully. You guys can see this was the original artwork that we did for the walls at the Mutoh Cafe. And then if you evolve over this way, you're going to see some amazing artwork from Glarb Designs. We have Antelope Canyon. We've got an awesome monsoon storm going on over here. This is my favorite wall for sure. Right behind you, we even have the little Mutoh Cafe, pretty cute. So we're gonna get installing this last little corner over here. We're even covering up the doors and everything. So it's gonna be really, really awesome when we're finished.
Dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Thank you guys so much for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed our wall mural mania
Wall Mural Mania.
at Mutoh America. Huge shout out to our Collabo-slayers on this project. Of course, Glarb Designs, Mutoh America, General Formulations, and Nina Wallpapers. Rolly Pro, Fusion Tools,
Some squeegees.
Things and Stuff.
Oh yeah.
If you guys want to keep up with our daily fun, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Wrapsesh AZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. If you want to get your hands on a Mutoh printer, you can reach out to our friends at Mutoh America or Fellers. And I think that's it.
That's it.
Oh, if you want a wall mural, hit us up. See you next week.
Thank you.